Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you to continue our place value game. So are you ready? You should have your place value chart. All right, so today we are I'm going to roll it 5 times. Okay, so that means 5 place values. So what's the highest place value we're going to go to today? Think about that. Well, let's look. Let's see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So the highest place is 10,000s. The lowest place is the ones. Okay, and then we have the thousands, hundreds, and tens in between. Okay, so let's go to our. Oh, that's not the right place. Let's go to our roller, which should be right here. Okay. And let's get started. Are you ready? Okay, drum roll. Roll. What do we got? 9. Oh, okay, that's good. That's good because we know right where to put that 9. I'm going to put it in the highest place value because I don't think we can get anything higher than that, right? Okay, let's go back and see what we get. Let's roll again. 6. Okay, so where are you going to put your 6? You don't have to put it where I put it, okay? Because I remember last time I didn't get it right. I did not get as high as I really messed up on this one, didn't I? Okay, so I'm going to put my 6. I'm going to put my 6 here. Where are you putting your 6? All right, remember, we're trying to make the highest possible number we can, okay? All right, let's take a look. Let's roll it again. Ooh, 1. Okay, we haven't seen a 1 yet. So 1 obviously should go. I'm going to put my 1 here. Unless we got like a 0. I don't know if there's a 0 on that dice though. Anyways. Okay, let's keep going. We got 2 more rolls to make. And roll. 2. Okay. Alright, 2. So I'm going to put my 2 here. Oops, wrong color. Put my 2 here. Alright, so I'm praying for what? I want to make sure I get a 6, 7, 8, or 9. Because if I get one of those numbers, that would give me the highest number I could possibly make. If I got like a 3, then I should have put the 6 here and the 3 there, right? Alright, maybe your 6 is here. What are you rooting for? Maybe you're rooting for something between a 2 and a 6. I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, here we go. Drum roll, please. Roll. 2. Oh, so close. Another 2. Oh, okay. All right, so I'm going to put my 2 here. So let's read this number. How would you read that number? Try it. Okay, did you say, so the number in the thousands period, is 92. So it's 92,000, right? 92,000, and then 621. We don't say 621 ones because we already know it's the ones place, okay? But we do have to say what the thousands. So 92. So repeat after me. 92,621. Good job. Okay. So let's play one more time. Okay, we're going to go to the same thing. 5 rolls. Okay, and here we go. Roll. Ooh, it's a 1. Okay. I'm going to put my 1 here. All right, we're going to speed up here a little bit. To roll it again. Did you put your 1 down already? If I'm going too fast, just pause the video and put it where you think it should go, okay? All right, and roll. 10. 10 doesn't count. We can't put a 10 in one place value. It doesn't work. Okay, let's roll it again. Oh, another 1. Jeez. All right, I'm putting my 1 here. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, roll. 7. Oh boy. I'm gonna put my 7 here because I'm afraid if I put it there, I'll end up getting an 8 or a 9. Okay. Let's try it again. We got 2 more rolls and roll. 7 again. Oh boy. Now's the question. Do I put it here? I'm going to put it here and pray I don't get an 8 or a 9. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. What are you hoping for? Did you put your 7 there or somewhere else? Remember, you don't have to put it where I put it. Okay, here we go. Drum roll. Roll. 7 again. Okay, I can't believe it's another 7. Let me do it one more time. Ready? Roll. 4. Okay, there we go. 4. All right. So, yes, this time I won because I made, the 7 would have worked too, but I made the highest number possible given the digits that we rolled, right? So, 77411. What does that number, how do you read that number? So read it to yourself right now. So what you should say is, what's the number in the thousands period? It's 77. So 77,411. You don't say 411. You just say 411. Okay? All right, so that's the highest number we could have made here. What's the highest number we could have made here? We could have made a higher number if I put my digits in a different spot. What's that number? It should have been 96,000. If I switch the 6 with the 2, I could have had 96,221. Okay? All right. So I'm going to take one of these numbers. I'm going to take the 96,000, 96,221, okay? And I'm going to go here. So I do not want you to write anything down right now. I just want you to watch, okay? So I have 96,211. Oh, sorry, 221. Silly, Mr. McAndrew. Okay, so again, you're not writing anything down right now. You're just watching, okay? So I'm going to start with, this is standard form. I'm going to go to word form, which would be the same way that I say it is how I write it. So I write 96,000, comma, just like there's a comma there, 221. 220 hyphen 1. Okay? All right. My expanded form is going to be the value of each digit. So that 9 is 90,000 plus the 6, which is in the thousands place. So that's 6,000 plus the first 2 in the hundreds place. So that's 200 plus the other 2 in the tens place. So that's worth 20. And that 1 is just worth 1. Okay? So that's your expanded form. Remember, boys and girls, you don't have to write anything down right now. I just want you to watch me, okay? And now we're going to add 10,000 more. This time we are going to add 10,000. So here's my 10,000s place. Oh, this is interesting. So watch this, boys and girls. This is a tough one, okay? So I have 9 here. If I add another 10,000, that means I have 10,000s. But you can't have 10 in one place value. So I'm going to take those 10,000s and turn them into 100,000. So I end up with 100. Okay, are you with me? Because I had 96,000, but I'm adding another 10,000. So now I'm going to have 106,221 because I didn't add anything to the thousands or to the hundreds or tens or ones. Okay, now over here we have 1,000 less. So I look at my thousands place, that's the 6. If I take one of those thousands away, I only have 5 1,000s, which means I still have the 9 10,000s, but now I only have 5 1,000s. So I have 95,000, and I still have 221. Okay? All right, so I'm going to move myself up here. Woo, let's watch Mr. McAndrew. Woo. Okay, And the value of the digit in the, in the 10,000s place, well, the 10,000s place is a 9. So we're going to write 90,000. And in the hundreds place, it would be the 2, which is 200. Okay? So what you are going to do is you are going to use the number, the other number that we did, which is 77,411. So write this number down, and I want you to fill in the rest of the organizer the same way that I did it. Okay? All right, I'll see you soon. We'll play more place value games. Have an awesome day. Great job. Do your best. Show your teacher, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.